Guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up parental control on streaming services. So take an example of YouTube over here. As you all know, YouTube is it's a streaming service, but you need to set parental control for your child before the child uses YouTube. So now to set up parental control, you come to Google Play Store, and then once you come to Google Play Store, you come to the home page once again, and then come to your profile section over here in the right upper corner. And then once you come to your profile section, come to settings. Once you come to settings over here, you'll need to come to general. And then when you come to general, scroll down. When you scroll down, you come and choose family and parental control over here, and then tap on the drop down arrow, and then come and tap on parental control. And then you have to switch this on by turning it on. Once you turn it on, you'll be asked to set your PIN. So quickly, I'll set my PIN over here. So once I'm done setting my PIN, I'll tap on OK. And then I need to set this PIN once again, and then tap on OK. And now I've turned on parental control on my streaming service, that is for YouTube. Okay, so that's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching. We shall meet in the next video once again.